For 393, you have to offset your lines. Once you've placed your center lines, you have to put in your circles. And then to get the outside border of the part, you need to use line and tangent object snap. So we're going to go to the line command all the way across your screen to the right. We want the last circle snap, and that is snap to tangent. Pick snap to tangent, and then you are going to pick your circle. It doesn't matter exactly where, you just kind of need to be close to where you want that line to be. So once you click the circle, see now the line is attached. Go back to tangent object snap, and now pick the bottom circle. It knows where to put it, so you just have to get it close. I'm going to cut off that line command, go back to line, tangent, click the circle, tangent, click the circle. I'm going to go back to line, tangent, click, tangent, click. Once you have the outside border, go to your trim command and trim off everything that you don't want. Make sure you clean up your center lines. Make sure you have saved it. Make sure you have edited your title.